Want to customize Phone Link to match the way you work? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change Phone Link settings on Windows. We'll explore the most important options, including notifications, connected devices, permissions, and other settings that help improve your experience. So let's get started. Start by launching Phone Link from the Windows Start menu. Once the app opens, click the Settings icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the window. Inside Settings, open the Devices section to view your connected phones. From here, you can check connection status, switch between devices if you have more than one, or remove a phone you no longer use. Next, review the notification settings. Depending on your connected device, you can choose whether phone notifications appear on your computer and control how they're displayed. Yeah, these settings are easy to adjust whenever you need them. Depending on your phone model, you may also see settings for calls, messages, photos, clipboard syncing, or other supported features. Turn individual options on or off to match the way you use Phone Link. If a feature isn't working, confirm that Phone Link has the necessary permissions on your phone and make sure both Phone Link and Link to Windows are updated. Keeping everything current helps prevent connection problems. Most Phone Link settings are applied automatically as soon as you change them. After making your adjustments, test a feature like notifications, messages, or calls to confirm everything works as expected. It only takes a moment to verify that everything is working properly, and that's how to change Phone Link settings on Windows. Spending a few minutes customizing the app can make your phone and computer work together much more smoothly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tutorials and practical technology guides, and I'll see you in the next video.